My name is Yulia Sion. I'm a researcher and industry expert in haptics and wearable technology. And today I will be discussing social touch and how it can be enabled via haptic technology. And my speaker today is Gijs Huisman. Gijs is assistant professor of embodied interaction at the Faculty of Industrial Design Engineering at Delft University of Technology. And his main focus of interest is related to how our sense of touch plays a role in technology-mediated social interactions, in particular in shaping social presence, intimacy, and empathy. And also recently, as I understand, Gijs joined and became co-director of the TU Delft's Food and Eating Design Lab. So hi, Gijs. Thanks for taking this time and chatting with me today. How are you?
Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, I'm doing well. It's a busy time. I mean, start of the academic year, start of the semester, but happy to get the chance to talk. You can relate, yeah.
I can. But thanks so much for, taking this time, really. Appreciate it. So, well, since there are not so many hapticians out there in this world, I'd like to start our conversation by actually asking you, how did you get into haptics? Why specifically sense of touch? What did you find there? I mean, anything you'd like to kind of share with us about your career path towards haptics would be great.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this was during my PhD, which I did at the University of Twente in the Netherlands, at a computer science group, so human media interaction, the group is called, or was called, I think. I have a background in communication science, so by training, I'm more of a social scientist rather than an engineer or a computer scientist. But I had the opportunity to do a PhD in that group, and this was on a project that was quite open, so there was not a lot of direction to the work that I could do, which as a young PhD is very challenging, but also gives opportunities to explore topics that you find interesting. And so I started work actually more on tangible interaction and tangible user interfaces. But at some point, I think it was reading a paper by Antal Haans and Wijnand IJsselstein, who are from the Eindhoven University of Technology. And this was a paper on mediated social touch. And I thought that idea was really fascinating, and that kind of got the ball rolling. So me looking more into the role of touch in perception in general, but also especially in social interactions. And that topic has kind of stayed with me for the past over 10 years now, I think.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is actually so similar also to my path to haptics research. I'm also from like more social humanitarian kind of areas, humanities, right? And then I moved to haptics, and kind of I also have this interest in social actually touch. But